supposed to go over there. I'm starting to get frustrated because one, I can't reach over there. I don't know how you put the last curtain up there. We're gonna put this one on and move on to the rest of the kitchen. I'm already a little sad about my gingerbread spoon. I'm gonna cry. Here we are. I'm trying to see if I want to put like some glue on it to try to like put it back together. I mean, I don't have to actually put stuff on it. It's just the fact. I guess if I'm putting it on the wall, I'm trying to glue it. I drove 30 minutes to get this. Then I had it for about 2 months. The minute I put Decor up and out, I moved my microwave back and I was trying to put everything on the table and it slipped out my hand. And bam, I was like, internal. I was breaking up too. But the show must go on, y'all. I'm gonna keep going. What's up, guys? So, while I was out, I picked these up. The last thing I bought for purpose. Look at these. Are they so cute? You ever see these? I know y'all full of you in a second. But these wreaths actually Dollar Tree for $1.25. And those candy canes, I actually got those from Fabulous. I'll show y'all what the candy is. Make a heart. Hold on. Stay. Oh, it worked. Yay. And these actually light up. But I gotta find my double batteries. They're somewhere around here. Or I may have to go back to the store. Not today. But we're gonna get it so that they can work. Look at this. OMG, look at this. This looks so cute. This gonna stay up to Valentine's Day. Okay, guys, so you guys saw that I hung this up. We're still trying to get the other one up. But I took back the towels and stuff that I had. They had the gingerbread print on it because it wasn't really going with this color scheme. Look what I did find. Now, these brown towels to bring in the gingerbread color, right? And then look at these. The candy canes and peppermints is light pink with the dark pink. Because on this side of the room is going to be the light pinks and dark pinks too. So, I think pairing these towels on the oven, right, is going to be cute. What y'all think? That to me looks cuter than the other set that I had. I like it, so let's put it on. 3-pack for $7.99 at Burlington's, and this is a 2-pack for $4.99. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these up because we're keeping them up. They're little plastic popping everywhere. I love the color. Got that gingerbread vibe going on. And then we get the pinks, and then the peppermint, and candy canes. The other ones were cute, but having like 3 to 4, because I had the gingerbread stands, them colors wasn't blending. And as I've learned, don't keep none of your own, especially when it has a tag on it still. Take it back. Take it back. Two sets. Kind of like how I do my bathroom towels. Can you see? Hold on.